Hi everyone, I'm a Student Involvement Ambassador and today is April 1st, which means that it is the day you can start registering your student organization for the fall semester. So today I'm just going to walk you through the steps and it's super easy, so you have until May 14th to register your student organization, and let me show you how. You all probably got this email by now that tells you that it's time to start transitioning your student organizations. And from here, you can just press transition now, or you can go through presence and transition that way. So to transition through MyLinks, just go ahead and log into MyLinks, press the admin dashboard, which you all should have access to as student organization leaders. We're going to go over to organizations, where you can see that all of our organizations are in transition right now since it just opened. I'm going to go ahead and search for a meetup group that I run. I'm going to select on it, and here it says that I do need to transition this org by May 14th. So I'm going to go ahead and edit the information that I need to update. As a meetup group, I do not have as many changes to make. I just have a minor date change to make. So instead of doing Wednesday, I'm going to change this to Thursday. If you all have a student organization, you might have more changes that you need to make, and that is totally okay. Feel free to spend time on this and email us with any questions. And then I'm going to go ahead and submit for approval. And then we can approve it and you can be registered for the fall. If you have any questions or you're struggling to register, please email us at studentorgs@ucdenver.edu. We're happy to help you with any questions.